One of the main aims of the agricultural robots, or agrobots as they're better known, is to monitor the growth and development of plants and crops. As there are 3 of them that currently work in a team of bots, one of them does this, and the other 2 focus on seeding and fertilizing plants, also known as microdosing, and weeding out any unwanted growth to enhance the crop yield. It is hoped that the bots will soon be trialled on other farms and areas of land once they are fully developed. They are electronically powered and use artificial intelligence to cultivate large areas of land more efficiently than it would be if it was done by hand. As the bots run autonomously, they can do their job much faster than is physically possible for a human, and will be able to identify the differences between a range of produce and vegetation. It is estimated that, in the growing agricultural technology industry, they will be part of a $20 billion market by 2025.